In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix taskbar not hiding in full screen mode in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our task manager. So how we can do so, please navigate at the button search bar here and type for task manager. Once you've typed it, the best match should appear. Click on open to continue. Or you can simply use the keyboard shortcut key by pressing Ctrl Shift and the escape key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the task manager. So here you need to navigate to the left pane. Okay, navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option. Please locate with the option called processes. And under the processes, you need to scroll down and locate with the Windows Explorer. So your Windows Explorer might be running under the apps or it might be running under the Windows processes. So I can see it here. Just make a right click and go with restart. Yes, you need to restart the Windows Explorer. You might wonder why, because whenever you restart your Windows Explorer, your taskbar would be restarted as well. Okay? And that way it will refresh the taskbar, and fortunately as well, it would be help you to fix the problem. Once you have restarted it, wait for a few seconds, and once done, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.